about the nutrition in humans and also in cow. In this video, we will learn about the nutrition and digestion in amoeba and as well as starfish. So children, now let us know about the digestion in amoeba. Amoeba doesn't have a mouth or a digestive system, but they do have nutrition and they digest the food. It is found in ponds and other standing water, which is already old water conservation, and it is a single-celled organism, that is single-celled microorganism, because it can't be seen by our naked eyes but can be seen only under a microscope. So amoeba doesn't have even a perfect shape. It changes its shape and position constantly by pushing out finger-like projections of its body called as pseudopodia, or it is also called as false feet. So how the digestion takes place in an amoeba? It has a cell membrane around its nucleus and vacuoles in its cytoplasm. So it captures some of the microscopic organisms or food which gets trapped in a food vacuole, and the digestive juices present in the cytoplasm and the vacuole act on the food and break it down into simpler substances. At last, the undigested food is expelled outside by the vacuole. So the food capturing is done by pseudopodia and the digestion is done in the food vacuole, and it is expelled outside also by a vacuole. This is about the digestion in amoeba. Amoeba body structure. Amoeba does not have a mouth or it doesn't have any digestive system, but they do have the nutrition and digest the food for their growth and development and reproduction. It is found in plants and it is a single-celled organism, means it's made up of only one cell, and it is a microorganism because it can't be seen by our naked eyes, but we need to focus it under a microscope. Therefore, it is called a microorganism. Amoeba changes its shape and position constantly by pushing out finger-like projections called pseudopodia, which is also called as false feet. It has the structure that it can project its body shape however it wants in any direction. It has a cell membrane around its nucleus and vacuoles in its cytoplasm. It captures some microscopic organisms of food. The food gets trapped in a food vacuole and the digestive juices act on the food to break down it into simpler substances. At last, the undigested food is expelled outside the body by the vacuole. So this is about the structure of amoeba as well as the digestion and nutrition in amoeba. So let's study now about the starfish. So this is the flow chart which shows the digestion and nutrition in amoeba, which is a shapeless and single-celled microorganism. Now let us know about the mode of feeding and digestion in starfish, which is a sea fish, which is also a carnivorous animal. Different animals have different mode of nutrition. Mode of feeding also different, like scraping, swallowing, engulfing, chewing, biting, tearing. All this happens, grinding. But when it is coming to our starfish, it has a different mode of nutrition. So let us see how the nutrition in starfish takes place. The digestion in starfish takes place. Actually, the digestion in starfish is completed in the pyloric stomach. and the food molecules are absorbed into the wall of the stomach. So let us see. In feeding, when the starfish plants itself on top of its food, it places whole of its body on its prey and begins to pull apart its shells using its 2 feet, means it extends its body size. Then it inserts its cardiac stomach. The cardiac stomach itself, it will insert in interior of the into its food and release the digestive enzymes into the soft body of its prey. The food is digested within its shell. The starfish continues to ingest the partly digested food until all edible parts of the prey, that is the food, have been taken completely into the body of the starfish. After all this happens, the starfish throws out the undigested food out of anus. So digestion in starfish starts from its little mouth, then moves through the esophagus. There is a small esophagus also which is not seen in this picture. Then goes through the stomach. Here 2 types of stomach are there. One is cardiac stomach and the other is pyloric stomach. Then intestine is having 5-sided, because the 5 arms of the starfish has intestine. It has got 5 intestines. So after every intestinal part through the pyloric stomach, like small intestine, this is the small intestine in starfish, which has got the absorbing capacity of the food, the nutrients absorption. After everything is absorbed from all the 5 sides, it is sent back to the rectum, and through the rectum it is thrown out of anus. Starfish is an carnivorous animal. Its foods are clam, mollusks, sedentary marine animals, oysters, crustaceans, etc. So this is how it happens. And in the small intestine, means the pyloric stomach, which is extended in all the sides of its, are the arms of 5 sides. There the digestive glands are there, which secretes the digestive juices and digests the food or the prey what the animal has captured. So this is about our digestion in our starfish. So children, I think you are now understood the meaning of digestion. That's the process of digestion, how it happens in the starfish also. This large and small intestine, if we compare to humans or other animals, see it has 5 sides intestine, which we can say that it is completely digested in totally for all the 5 arms of the starfish. Itself on the top of its foot, that is on its prey, and begins to pull apart its shells using its tube feet. So it has 5 tube feet which should be expanded, so it begins to pull apart its body and it inserts its cardiac stomach into the interior of its foot and releases digestive enzymes into the soft body of the foot, which after of the foot, and the food is digested within its shell. The starfish continues to ingest the partly digested food until all edible parts of the food have been taken completely into the body of the starfish. So digestion in starfish can be shown here in the way of a flow chart like this, through mouth, then through esophagus, stomach and intestine. 5-sided intestine, that's 5 arms, and then the rectum, and then through the anus. Starfish is an carnivorous animal, and food for starfish are clam, mollusks, and certain sedentary marine animals, oysters, crustaceans, etc. So this is about the digestion or the nutrition in starfish.